How to remove the top on a Miele dishwasher in case you're trying to, set it in. There's going to be a countertop that's going to go on here, so there won't be room for this top. It needs to slide in underneath. So we're going to remove this top. And the way you're going to remove this top is you're going to open it, and underneath you're going to find these two screws, one here and one over here. And you're going to need a Torx screwdriver to remove them. So if you need one of these, I'll put a link down below to where you can get it. And then once you've gotten those two screws removed, come back and we'll take a look again. All right, so you can see I've got these two screws removed now. So now what I need to do is basically this sticks down in here. So I'm gonna need to lift this up. And then once I lift this up, then there are slots here where this fixes in the back. So what I need to do is basically lift this up. And once I lift this up, I'm going to slide the back forward, and that'll release the back, and then I can take the whole thing off. So it's gonna look like in 3 steps. Lift up, slide it forward, and now it is detached from the dishwasher, and now I can just remove it, finish removing it, taking it off, and go ahead and put my dishwasher in place.